Hello, my name is Scott, and we're going to show you how easy it is to program your new M6001 thermostat. In a few simple steps, you'll have control over the comfort and efficiency of the environment of your home. Before starting, please consult the warning and safety precautions listed in your manual. This video will not be demonstrating how to install the thermostat, as the thermostat connects to high voltage wiring and should be connected by a professional electrician in accordance to your local wiring codes. By default on the M6001, you'll see two temperatures and a time. The top temperature is the actual temperature of the room. Below you'll find a power output level, and beside you'll see flames flashing when the heater is active. Beneath this you'll see the temperature you've chosen for the room, and beside you'll see program period. At the bottom, by default, there'll be a clock displaying the actual time, with two small letters above representing the day of the week. Below the screen there's a row of buttons labeled Usage Time, Set, Hold, and Prog. The function of these buttons will be explained as we go along. Below them are two buttons with arrows marked up and down respectively. These buttons can change the set temperature at any time. Beneath the faceplate, there is another tiny button. Pressing this button with the tip of a pencil will cause the thermostat to reboot and reset the clock to 9 a.m. Monday morning. Something that we recommend before programming your thermostat is doing a full reset of the thermostat back to the factory default settings. This can be done by pressing in the hold button, then pressing in the reset button, releasing the reset button, and then the hold button. Our next step is to customize the optional settings of the thermostat for your personal needs. By holding in the set button, you will access the optional settings. The first to appear is the 12-hour or 24-hour clock option. 12HR flashes on the screen. Pressing the up or down button will switch between the 12 or 24-hour clock display. Pressing set again will advance you to the next option. The next option is the cycle rate. The default cycle rate appears as CR1, and this is a good setting for electric baseboard heater. This rate allows the thermostat to send pulses of electricity to the baseboard to maintain a constant and efficient temperature in your home environment. When the thermostat is using heat cycling, you will notice the power output level will change. This represents how much energy is being used during these pulsing periods. The other settings for cycle rate are CR0, which turns off heat cycling. The thermostat will wait for the temperature of the room to drop a half degree Celsius or a full degree Fahrenheit before turning on the heat. We recommend this for fan-assisted heaters. CR2 is a longer heating cycle than CR1. The thermostat will keep on the heat for short spans suitable for convectors and radiant ceiling devices, but longer than the pulses used for baseboard heaters. Pressing set again advances to the next option, which appears as RE. This is the pre-comfort recovery option. When it is set to 1, it will be on and the thermostat will turn on heating in advance of a program change to get a head start on reaching a warmer temperature. Turning the option to 0 turns off pre-comfort recovery and the thermostat will wait until the next program before heating. Pressing set again will cause the temperature at the top of the screen to flash. This option allows you to select between Celsius or Fahrenheit as the temperature measurement you wish to use. You can use the arrow keys to select which measurement. Changing the measurement will cause all programs on your thermostat to reset. Next we'll be setting the clock. This can be done from the default screen by pressing and releasing the set button. It will cause the time to flash. Pressing the up or down arrow buttons will allow you to change the time. Holding them in will allow the time to go by even faster. Press the set button again to change the day of the week. This can also be done using the arrow buttons. Pressing set again locks in the selected time and day.